What a movie trailer does for a movie is what the start of your speech does for how your speech goes. And that is what we are going to talk about today. Hello everyone, I am Ajinkya, author of the book Connect to Lead, and in this video series, I teach you the basics of communication. Today we are going to talk about a chapter in my book, which is Hacks to a Perfect Speech Start. It is very important that your speech starts on a note where you involve the audience and you get their attention. They say, well begun is half done. According to me, well begun in a speech is 70% of the work done, because you know that the audience is now glued to you. They are going to listen very passionately to what you have to say. So it is very important that your speeches have an extremely good start. This can be done in a variety of ways. The crux of it is to involve the audience and get them interested in listening to you. If you're speaking to a classroom full of engineers, you could start something by talking about engineers. To something of doctors, you could start by telling what you feel about how doctors are, or how noble the profession of doctor is, or something related to their profession. You need to adjust it according to your audience, but then it has to be something which intrigues curiosity, which is very intriguing in its core nature. You could ask startling questions, something which shakes up the audience a lot. When I would go to teach engineering students or to talk to engineering students, I would start with a question: why did they choose engineering? Now it's a very basic question, but it would startle them. It would get them interested into the talk. So you could come up with different questions like these. You could come up with different startling facts, some fact which can really raise eyebrows and then get the audience glued to you. Another way is telling stories. We humans just love to listen stories. So you could start with a story. It could be a personal story of your own, or a story or some other story which you can relate with the topic. But you need to understand that the start of the speech is not something which goes for the entire duration of the speech. Generally, it should be between 5 to 10% of the time that you are allotted for the speech. So you have to think of something which can fit into these 5 to 10 seconds, and you could start the speech on a very high note. If the audience gets involved, if the audience is glued to listening to you, if the audience is interested in listening to you, they are going to go all out and they are going to keep on hearing, they would want to keep on hearing what you have to say. The same message, if delivered with a very good start, would be much more impactful than what it would have been if it was with a very mediocre start. So that is my message for today. From tomorrow onwards, we'll learn about we yesterday found out about layouting the speech. It has 3 parts, right? It has the start, then it has the content or the body, and then it has the end. From tomorrow onwards, for the 3 days, we are going to cover these 3 chapters from my book, which are how the start should be, how the content should be layouted, and how should you finish your speech. So stay tuned and thank you.